Let's visit the workshop of the American tuning team SpeedKore Performance. For the SEMA 2018 show, they built this masterpiece. Before being upgraded, the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon boasted an 852 horsepower engine, but a pair of turbochargers gave it an infernal 1419 horsepower. In addition, the Demon's skin became 100% carbon fiber, which made the car lose about 198 pounds. As a result, this beast covers the quarter mile of a drag racetrack in 8.77 seconds. The 8-speed gearbox and the special start assist system allow you to control this powerful vehicle. It's known that a little later, the car was sold at auction. The lucky buyer paid $160,000. By the way, the Dodge Demon is no longer in production, but this has never stopped fans of tuning. If there is no real car, they'll create a 3D version. On the screen is the work from the Bradbuilds channel, whose creator specializes in cars and design. The model is made in the 3ds Max program and is so realistic that people in the comments are delighted. The concept involves minimal ground clearance, wide wheels, and an air intake on the roof, and in addition, features an unusual color. The Lamborghini Urus is interesting if only because it's the first crossover of the famous Italian manufacturer. It was unveiled in 2017 and production began in 2018. Since then, the Urus has often been the target of tuning experts. A striking example is this car, which was created by craftsmen from Platinum Motorsport USA. The most noticeable upgrade is the VORSTEINER carbon fiber widebody kit. In addition, the designers added new 24-inch wheels, the AGL67 low-profile tires, and a titanium exhaust system. As for the engine, the standard Urus has a 650 horsepower V8 and a top speed of about 190 miles per hour. Now let's go to Germany, where Mansory showed us their vision of the Urus. We took the bear and made a beast out of it that will make everyone turn their head, they say. Of course, they couldn't do without carbon fiber, and they used much more than their American colleagues. In addition, a triple exhaust system was installed, and the arches had to be widened for the new rear wheels. By the way, the discs not only look cool, but also provide optimum brake ventilation. As a result, the Urus looks a bit like the Batmobile, and the experts themselves called its exterior disarming. The interior has been improved with a number of trim elements made of carbon fiber, lots of suede, and orange accents. Is there a more iconic motorcycle in the world than the Harley-Davidson? Just think about it. The company appeared back in 1903, and in 1920, it became the world's largest manufacturer of motorcycles, with 28,189 units. No wonder their bikes are often customized. Today's selection features the Harley-Davidson Softail Custom Breakout. Even the standard version is a rugged and modern chopper. However, the masters decided to add custom artwork, put custom-made wheels on, work on the suspension, so now you can raise and lower the back of the bike, and add details like custom exhausts, mirrors, and other things. Traffic lights are like racetrack signals for this bike, they say on the Harley-Davidson website, and the customized version will surely make you want to ride even faster. We are visiting Mansory again. After the Italian car, the masters have decided to customize a German model. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG is a frequent guest in their workshop. There are already many projects with this SUV in their portfolio. For example, this camouflage version produces 850 horsepower and accelerates to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to new turbochargers and advanced electronic systems. They also managed to raise the top speed to about 155 miles per hour. By the way, this version is called Star Trooper. It combines the coolest components of all similar projects, and it's available in a limited edition of only 20 cars, and the company offers a total of 8 different tuning projects with the G63. Another German brand BMW is just as popular. In the first quarter of 2021, the company set a record by selling 636,606 cars, and if customers want more, there are a variety of kits at their disposal to transform their car. For example, the international team Renegade Design offers several options, including this Minotaur kit. According to the company, this is the best carbon kit for the BMW X6M on the market. The customer can choose between classic and forged carbon, the newest and even more reliable solution. You can assemble your own kit in a special configurator, choosing between different hoods, trunk lids, bumper inserts, fenders, and other features. And in addition, you can choose forged discs from 20 to 23 inches. The Ford Tourneo also made it to our selection, even though the Ford company didn't expect anything special from it. They plan to sell only 1,000 units a year, mainly to taxi companies. However, even this car can be turned into a custom masterpiece, as the Polish team Carlex Design did. The model is called the Custom X Black Series, and received a completely redesigned exterior with a sporty look. Aggressive bumpers, widened wheel arches, custom wheel rims. The once modest Tourneo is now eye-catching and stylish. The interior features black and red trim and a new steering wheel. Custom-made seats also complete the look. The team is sure that now even the longest trip will bring you great pleasure. Next up is a concept from the SpeedKore Performance Group, a team known for cars with unconventional performance. Movie buffs will surely remember the Fast and Furious franchise. Well, the Dodge Charger Tantrum, driven by Dominic Toretto, was created by SpeedKore, and today's selection features the SpeedKore Cuda, a tribute to the IMSA Championship. The IMSA is a sports car racing event, so the overall aesthetic of the SpeedKore Cuda alludes to racetracks. In particular, the front end of the car is raised and the driver is protected by a special load-bearing frame. The designers were also inspired by the 1974 Dodge Challenger, and according to some websites, SpeedKore is even planning to assemble this masterpiece in reality. This vehicle looks like it could be in a movie like Mad Max, but not necessarily with the good guy at the wheel. It was built on an all-wheel drive Ford F-250 with a diesel engine. During the work, the suspension was upgraded, so because of the increased ground clearance, they added improved running boards. The 64-inch Michelin XZL tires with military-grade rims, as well as the new body components, are made of steel and fiberglass. The basic upgrade includes Bilstein shock absorbers and MegaRaptor arms, a good solution for driving on ordinary roads as well. And if necessary, you can choose these other options yourself, because the MegaRaptor truck specialists take on individual orders. However, driving around the city and parking is not that easy in a dinosaur like the upgraded Ford F-250. Therefore, German experts from BRABUS have chosen to do the opposite and make something more compact. They took this tiny electric smart EQ42 and turned it into this. According to the company, this two-door car is an urban supercar. See it for yourself. It has a top speed of 81 miles per hour, acceleration to 62 miles per hour in 10.9 seconds, and a 92 horsepower motor. Is it enough to be considered a supercar? One charge will last for 78 miles, and BRABUS branded decor and leather have been added to the interior. The company plans to produce 50 cars for about $45,500 apiece. Would you buy one? Here's another project from Germany, this time by the Novitec tuning studio. It's an upgraded Lamborghini Huracan STO. The company focused on renewing the design, as the car has enough power as it is. According to them, after all the modifications, the body of the car is 75% carbon fiber. Also, special NL4 wheels were made for the project with the help of the American wheel manufacturer Vossen. The suspension has two variants, adjustable 14 positions or lowered by 1.2 inches. Novitec is ready to customize the interior to meet the customer's requirements. And if a client doesn't know how to spend their money, they can make the exhaust system from the Inconel material, which is used in Formula 1, and cover it with $999 gold. Do you know what the term hot rod stands for? Its origins are not entirely clear, but usually this term refers to cars upgraded to reach the highest speeds. The body elements are often removed to lighten the vehicles, giving the hot rods their distinctive look. On the screens is a typical member of the family, the Sbarro 8. The car is equipped with a V8 engine from Maserati, with an output of 368 horsepower and a capacity of 195.3 cubic inches. The V6 team has also liked other models, for example, this one based on a Porsche 911. The Dodge Ram 1500 is a big enough pickup as it is, but some people can't get enough. These tuning experts managed to expand the car by 4.7 inches on each side. They also added a new front spoiler, discs and tires. In addition, it's worth noting the wood trim, the RideTech 4-link air suspension, the cold intake, electric window tint at the touch of a button, an upgraded braking system, and an exclusive paint job and carbon fiber components. Despite its unique appearance, the Ram remains a reliable, functional pickup truck, the description states. Indeed, the model's engine is an improved V8 Hemi.